Welcome to Anivora, your trusted source for news, insights, and deep dives into the future of technology, cryptocurrency, and digital innovation. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's dive into today's story. The bull run energy is here. $PI is moving closer to mass adoption. Pioneers, are you ready for the next chapter? Migration =, freedom plus utility plus growth. The future of digital money is being built by you. The crypto landscape is witnessing a seismic shift. Pi Network, a project long known for its grassroots momentum and mobile-first mining model, is entering its most transformative phase yet, Mainnet migration. This milestone marks more than a technical upgrade. It represents a philosophical leap toward decentralization, utility, and mass adoption. As blockchain technology matures, the need for scalable, inclusive, and user-centric platforms becomes increasingly urgent. Pi Network is answering that call not with noise but with substance. Its migration to Mainnet is a signal to the crypto world that a new chapter is beginning, one built by its users for its users. Mainnet migration, what it means and why it matters. Mainnet migration is the process of moving Picoins from the testnet environment to the fully operational blockchain. For Pi Network, this transition is not just symbolic, it unlocks real-world utility and economic potential. Users who have mined Picoin through the mobile app will now see their balances reflected on-chain, enabling transactions, smart contracts, and integration with decentralized applications. This migration also introduces a new level of transparency and security. With coins now residing on a public blockchain, users gain full ownership and control over their assets. It's a shift from promise to delivery, from concept to reality. Freedom, utility, and growth, the core pillars of migration. The migration is built on three foundational principles: freedom, utility, and growth. Freedom. By decentralizing coin ownership and enabling peer-to-peer transactions, Pi Network empowers users to break free from traditional financial constraints. No banks, no intermediaries, just direct, secure access to digital assets. Utility, migration opens the door to real-world use cases. Picoin can now be used in marketplaces, apps, and services that recognize its value. This utility transforms Picoin from a speculative asset into a functional currency. Growth. With Mainnet Live, developers and entrepreneurs can build on PI's infrastructure. This fosters innovation and expands the ecosystem, attracting new users and use cases that drive long-term sustainability. The role of pioneers. Building the future together. Pi Network's success has always hinged on its community, known as pioneers. These early adopters have mined, tested, and supported the network from its inception. Now, with Mainnet migration underway, their role becomes even more critical. Pioneers are not passive participants. They are validators, merchants, developers, and advocates. Their engagement shapes the direction of the network, ensuring that growth is organic and aligned with the values of decentralization and inclusion. This user-driven model stands in contrast to many crypto projects that rely on centralized teams or venture capital. Pi Network's strength lies in its distributed governance and grassroots momentum. Picoin, a currency designed for the people. Picoin is not just another token, it's a representation of a new kind of value, one earned through participation, not purchased through speculation. Its distribution model avoids pre-mining and whale dominance, ensuring that ownership remains broad and equitable. As Picoin enters the Mainnet phase, its potential expands. It can be used for payments, smart contracts, and decentralized finance applications. Its value is no longer theoretical, it's practical, usable, and growing. This shift positions Picoin as a serious contender in the digital currency space. It's not chasing hype, it's building infrastructure. Web3 and the Pi Network vision. Web3 promises a decentralized internet where users control their data, identity, and assets. Pi Network is delivering on that promise by creating a platform that is accessible, scalable, and secure. Its mobile-first approach ensures that anyone with a smartphone can participate. This inclusivity is especially powerful in regions where access to traditional banking and crypto infrastructure is limited. By lowering barriers to entry, Pi Network is expanding the reach of Web3 to millions who were previously excluded. Moreover, its integration of AI and smart governance mechanisms ensures that the network remains efficient and fair. It's not just decentralized, it's intelligent. Looking ahead, what comes after migration? Mainnet migration is not the end, it's the beginning. With coins now live on the blockchain, the focus shifts to ecosystem development. Pi Network is encouraging developers to build apps, merchants to accept Picoin, and users to explore new use cases. Future updates will likely include enhanced smart contract functionality, decentralized identity solutions, and expanded marketplace integrations. Each step will bring Pi Network closer to its vision of a fully decentralized, user-owned economy. Conclusion: a new chapter in crypto begins. The migration to Mainnet marks a defining moment for Pi Network and its community. It's a transition from potential to performance, from theory to practice. As Picoin gains utility and the ecosystem grows, the project is poised to become a cornerstone of the Web3 revolution. In a world where digital money is often driven by speculation and centralization, Pi Network offers a different path. One built on participation, fairness, and long-term vision. The future of crypto is not being dictated by institutions, it's being built by users, and with Mainnet migration, that future is already underway.